In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Excel on your computer. If you like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe. Let's get started. So the first step to install the Excel software on your devices is to know that if you want to install it on your device, you will definitely have to pay to get the software with all the features unlocked. So here you can see Microsoft's paid subscriptions with the displayed prices. It can be quite expensive, and that's why I'm going to show you a trick to get Excel for free on your device. It's to go through the official Microsoft 365 online site that you can type into Google. All you have to do is click on it. You can then log in at the top right of the site with your Hotmail address. And then, once you're logged in, you'll be able to see the Excel option right here in the left bar. And you can therefore create Excel workbooks and files simply and for free online without having to bother installing Excel software on your device. The downside is that you will only have access to a limited portion of Excel's features. If you really want to have all the functions of Excel and all its features, you'll need to go for the paid plan to be able to install it on your device. And that's why I'm going to share a tip with you to pay a lot less for this subscription. You can go through the subscription sharing platform GamesGo. It's a 100% secure platform that I've been using for a year, and it has allowed me to save a lot on my subscriptions. Premium. As you can see here, the Office 365 TE subscription costs only $367, and it includes the Excel software. You can find the link to access the platform directly under the YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. All you have to do is click on the link and you'll be automatically redirected to the GamesGo platform. Then you can log in at the top right with your email address. It only takes a minute. Next, if you scroll down the homepage, you'll find Office 365, which will allow you to get the subscription to download Excel for much cheaper on your device. All you have to do is click on Join Now. You can then select the duration of the subscription, either 3 months or 6 months. If you take 6 months, you'll get a bigger discount. You can even add, if you want, the promo code GUMMY like this, which gives you an additional discount. Once that's done, you click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. The platform is 100% secure. Once the payment is made, you'll instantly receive your login details to connect and download Excel on your device in your subscription section. Then once you've retrieved your login details from your tab, with your subscription on GamesGo, you can go back to the office.com site, log in with your credentials at the top right, and then all you have to do is click to install the applications, and you'll be able to install Excel directly on all your devices and unlock all the features.